wanna know. It keeps me restless. I try, but everything was distant. And I know I might never be what you want. Girl, you got me restless. I got to know, don't keep me waiting. Said I love in motion, let's go. I can be yours. I'm losing my mind in this place. Only you can save it. So stop hiding, don't be afraid. I know you feel the same. Baby, girl, you got me restless. I got to know, don't keep me waiting. Said I love in motion, let's go. I can be yours. I don't know where we'll go from here. Feels just like I'm falling. How we wanna feel. I got to know. I don't know where we'll go from here. Said I love in motion, let's go. I can be yours. I don't know where we'll go from here. So let's feel how we wanna feel. I don't know where we'll go from here. Let's just take a
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be an off day with me, kind of a Sunday reset. It is Sunday, March 17th, happy St. Patty's Day, and I have one day off. I worked 2 yesterday, like 2 this weekend, have today off, and then work 3 more, so I'm kind of having to get everything done today that I haven't been able to because of work. So I started off my morning slow, woke up at 10, slept in, made some coffee. I just washed my face and all of that. And now I'm going to get dressed for the day. It's now 12 p.m. I've been sitting on the couch watching YouTube, and I journaled and stuff like that, and then I was like calling family and stuff, just catching up with them because I haven't been able to talk to them for the past couple days. But I'm gonna get ready. I kind of just want to go like window shop today. I'm just bored. My boyfriend's at work, and I was gonna go work out, but my back is a little tweaked, so I need to go to a chiropractor and get adjusted, but a lot of them aren't open today, so we're just gonna go on Wednesday when I'm off next. And no, Thursday. I'm off Thursday. So anyways, today's just gonna be a vlog of my day. Don't have anything planned, just gonna kind of make plans as I go and all the things. So I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, welcome, and let's get into my video. So here's my outfit I'm gonna wear. It is St. Patty's Day, so I am gonna wear this green fleece and then just these leggings. It's like 65 degrees and cloudy out, so it's not gonna be too warm. So I'm just gonna put this on and then see what I decide to do with my day. My outfit, I just have on these leggings and the shirt I showed you, and then I put my Lulu crossbody on and just braided my hair. Like I said, no real agenda, just doing things that I feel like I want to do. It is like really gloomy, like I said, so it's not like a pretty bright day outside, so it's kind of making me want to lay in bed all day, but I don't want to lay in bed all day, so we're gonna go and just window shop and hope for the best. I think I'm gonna go to Goodwill first and then just see what else I feel like doing, because I don't have like anything to really Sunday reset at the house. I just have like dishes and a few like pieces of clothing to hang up, but nothing crazy. So let's go see what the day has in store for us. Just had to pick up my mail and my Amazon package. This is a lamp that I got for my kitchen because I did like redo a lot of it. But I will open this up when I get back home. Now it is 1 p.m. so I'm gonna head out before it gets too late because I don't want to be gone all day. I'm just gonna go to Goodwill and probably like Marshall's or something but maybe just Goodwill and then come back home. Nothing crazy, but yeah, let's go. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all a little Goodwill haul. I just got a few things. The first thing I got is this pretty green top that ties in the front. I thought it was perfect for the springtime. I just have to figure out how to style it, but this was only $5.99. And then I got these BCG like running shorts. I've been trying to run more, so these are a great length for me to run in outside. Then I found this cool Tommy Hilfiger like pullover jacket, and it says Tommy Hilfiger at the bottom. This was only $3. And then I got my boyfriend these cute orange PacSun swimming trunks for the summer since it's coming up. That's all I got. It was only 20 bucks. Just a few things. And then I will show you what's in the Amazon package that I got. So I got this little lamp to go on my kitchen counter. I will show y'all how I install that in a second. It's super cute, and I hope that everything works out how I want it to look. So I just set up this lamp and I love it. It's like an automatic light, and you just hit this for different colors and then it turns off. It's so nice. And then there's a button up here. I think that's just like for a little extra design, but like so pretty. It adds like a little bit of light in here, and I'm going to eventually get a piece of art to go back here so that it kind of like comes together more, but I love it. So I'm back in my comfy clothes. I just ate what I got from Sonic, and now I'm just gonna relax on the couch for a bit. It is almost 3 p.m. and I just went to Goodwill. I got a few things like I showed you, and I just wanted to get back home. It got kind of rainy and gross. So now I'm just gonna sit and watch some YouTube and catch up on those. And then like reset and unwind for my shifts. I need to do meal prep, pack my lunches, all the things, shower, get ready, wind down, make dinner. So I will take you along for that, but for the next few hours I will be sitting on this couch rotting away watching YouTube. I just got done with dinner. I did the dishes, and while I was cooking dinner I prepped some stuff for lunches. So I prepped some asparagus, some turkey burger patties, and some zucchini. And so I'm going to go ahead and pack up a portion of it for tomorrow's lunch while I'm in the kitchen and remembering it, so because I'm trying to eat healthier. And yeah, so I'm gonna pack this up. So it is all packed up, ready to put in my lunchbox. And I'm also gonna grab from my little snack bin a kind soft baked square, 2 Slim Jims, and a protein bar. And I don't always eat all of these, I just would rather have more than enough in case I get hungry. And then I'm also going to add one of these protein shakes in. And then I've been keeping these in my lunchbox as a little sweet treat. These are from TJ Maxx. They are so freaking good and pretty decently healthy. Only like 5 grams of sugar. So good. So the cookies just got done and we're going to enjoy those and cuddle up in bed. So I'm going to close out this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed and I will see you soon.